3 must-have safety items for your home. Fred's Furniture Anti-Tip Kit allows children to play safely. Discreetly designed with 2 hidden straps that fit subtly behind any furniture. Being fully adjustable, it allows for any furniture to be moved forward for easy access behind. Fred's Secure Hold Adhesive creates a powerful and durable bond to your furniture, making it impossible for children to pull off. You can choose between the Fred Secure Hold Adhesive or screws to fasten your anti-tip kit. The hinge design makes it easy to ensure the entire adhesive pad is resting on your furniture. Accidents can happen in a split second, so protect little fingers with Fred's Door Slam Stopper, an easy-to-fit solution for finger traps and prevents children from getting locked in a room. Suitable to be fitted on the top or on the side of a door. Tough, durable and shock-absorbing, the Door Slam Stopper is made from materials that won't deform or slip over. The multi-purpose block is easily installed with no measurements required. Simply line up around the cupboard or appliance and stick in place with our Secure Hold Adhesive. The one-handed squeeze and lift makes it easy to use whilst holding your little one. The Fred Safety multi-purpose block is adaptable with a no-pinch design, making it an ideal solution to stop children accessing inside cupboards, drawers or appliances.